Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at this titanium watch band from Ultra Supply Company. They were nice enough to send this out to me probably almost a month ago at this point, and I've been using it on my Apple Watch Ultra 2 ever since. And it is a titanium link style watch band, and they do have a black one as well. If you just picked up the new black Apple Watch Ultra 2, they do have a band that matches that. This is a titanium watch band, and it is $74.99, so great deal there for both. I think the black one is actually a little bit more. The black one's $84.99. The titanium one, the natural titanium one, is $74.99. They come in the folding buckle like you see here, and they also have a version with a magnetic buckle, so that is nice. I do prefer this. Looks like a classic watch. Very stylish looking. Can be worn out anywhere, especially with that titanium Apple Watch look. And they do have leather ones as well as sport bands, so they do have options for everybody. Their link has been in my description ever since they sent this out, so if you click that Ultra Supply link down there in the description, you do get a little bit of a discount, so just use that link and you'll get, I think it's 10% off. They have that. They have Milanese links, they have Milanese loops, all different kinds of bands. They have grade 4 titanium if you're looking for something a little extra, higher quality on the titanium. That one is $199, but this one, just the regular, titanium right there, is great as well, and it's under $100. So very nice watch band there from Ultra Supply. Thank you guys for sending that out. Definitely check out their link. Definitely check out what they have to offer for the Apple Watch Ultras. And they even have, looks like Samsung ones now. They have a Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra band in grade 4 titanium as well for $219. So a bunch of different products there. I might reach out to them again and see if they want to send something out for the Samsung watch, because I just picked up a Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. So if they do, I will feature it on the channel. But definitely recommend it. High quality, no issues with it. It is resizable, comes with a tool to change the links out and all that kind of stuff. Colin here with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and have a great day.